What is up, everyone? It is a beautiful, beautiful day, night, wherever and whenever you are listening to this. This is Poetry and Inspiration Time. I'm Olivia Tatara, your host, author, painter, inspiration, creator. I'm here on this earth is to spread love and gratitude and inspiration to the world through frequency, vibration, and color. As you see on my website, the art piece is amazing. So I'm going to give you a poem today, a haiku poem from Love Haiku that is going to open you. Open your mind, open your heart, open your love, because love leads the way, and you should always let it lead the way. And it's not the love that makes you feel bad or wish or want, but it is a love of strength. It's a love for life. Heartbeat. Love is in my heart. It swells and beats and feels all. I can feel your love. Heartbeat. Love is in my heart. It swells and beats and feels all. I can feel your love. This is from Love Haiku, photo haiku to open your heart and soul. And haiku is an amazing, amazing form of poetry that is very close to my heart, and it just comes and goes and flows because life is supposed to flow in creativity. Allow Love Haiku to open you up. It's a beautiful book of poems that you can always refer back to, because to love is to know. To want to know will cause pain. Faith will set you free. Stay tuned, guys. I'm going to plan on doing a freestyle haiku podcast episode where I'm just going to go free thought, haiku that comes to me. I've been working on this for a while. It takes some practice, time, and skill to be able to sing and speak in 5, 7, and 5. So join me on this journey. Stay tuned and let it flow with me. Love you guys. Allow your creativity to burst from your heart, because that's where it is. Love your life and know that you can always come back to poetry and inspiration time. Get inspired, inspire others, inspire yourself. I love you. Forgive me. I'm sorry. And of course, thank you so much.